Hi everyone, Brian here from Be Listed, and this is your Irvine Property Market Update for March 2026. Each month I analyse the data across the KA11 KA12 postcode areas so that buyers, sellers and landlords can understand what's really happening in the local area, not just the national headlines. If you'd like to read the full report, you'll find that on our website. The link is in the post description. So what's happening in Irvine right now? The latest figures show the market continuing to move in a balanced and relatively stable direction. Stock levels remain fairly steady, which means that buyers still have choice, but we are not seeing oversupply of homes hitting the market. New instructions have increased slightly compared with the quieter winter months, which is typical as we move towards the spring market. At the same time, sales agreed are keeping pace, showing that buyer demand is still there when homes are priced correctly and presented well. What we're seeing locally is buyers taking a little more time to make decisions compared with the peak years, but the right homes are still attracting very strong interest. One of the key insights from this month's report is how important pricing strategy has become. The days of simply listing a property and expecting immediate offers are largely behind us. Today's buyers are more informed, they're watching affordability closely and they're comparing properties very carefully. But when a home comes to the market at the right price, in the right condition, we are still seeing strong inquiry levels and competitive offers. On the letting side, the Irvine rental market continues to perform strongly. Demand remains high across the board, particularly for well-presented 2 and 3 bedroom homes with gardens, driveways or additional living spaces like a conservatory or a dining room. Supply is still relatively limited, which means good properties are letting quickly and rental values remain supported. Mortgage confidence is also starting to stabilise. Although headline mortgage rates haven't shifted dramatically, there are increasingly competitive deals appearing in the fixed rate market. For buyers who may have paused their plans this year, this is starting to bring a bit more confidence back to the market. As we move further into spring, we're likely to see a gradual increase in new listings, but also stronger buyer competition as confidence continues to return. Overall, Irvine remains a stable, resilient property market with opportunities for both buyers and sellers when the strategy is right. If you're thinking about selling, letting, or simply want a clear idea of your property might be worth in today's market, I'd be delighted to help. I offer data-led valuations based on what buyers are actually doing in Irvine right now, not just guesswork. You can read the full Irvine Property Market Update on our website, and if you'd like a chat about your next move, just get in touch. I'm Brian from Be Listed. Thanks for watching.